addicted right now. Today, kids, we're uncovering the Discovery Channel Gemstone Dig. Let's get to it. Discovery Channel 2021. I cannot break it in half.
Yeah, I don't think that's how
We gotta hammer it.
We have the little chisel.
Got our official rock tool.
It's already steaming.
Woo!
You guys ready?
Ready. Shipping away. This is so Oh, there we go.
Right.
Is this what you do when you go rockhounding? Oh, there you
Oh,
go.
I broke it in half. The reveal. We got rocks.
We got rocks. Official. Safety!
We're cutting that.
He never took off his safety goggles, guys. It's fine.
Oh, here we go. Boom.
Ooh.
Oh, the things are falling out.
Gemstone.
Probably agate. I don't even know what this is. It's a square. There's some...
So natural.
Yeah,
Never
shapes.
been touched by man.
Never touched, never
That's
seen by
How
man.
they form in this land, don't you know?
Yeah, amazing. Never discovered anything like this.
Only highest quality tools in the business. Right here. Wood
This was hundreds of dollars.
from the forests of Discovery Channel. Breaking open.
I feel
We're
like
breaking
this is actually
boundaries.
pretty intense for kids. Like, it's actually kind of hard to break open.
Are you having fun?
I'm having so much fun. Breaking open, like, that's not even chopped. I don't even know what this is. Can't leave a single gemstone.
No gemstone left behind. Gotta leave no stone unturned.
Leave no stone.
It's almost the whole other half.
You worried the authorities are after you?
Yeah, they were just like slow roll by.
They're
Like, are they doing
"What?"
drugs? You know, I'm just looking at
I'm
rocks.
literally just looking at rocks, sir. It's like your tweet, have you been drinking? Sir, I've been drinking chocolate milk.
Sir, I've been drinking quartz crystals. Oh, it's the quartz.
Nice.
Very nice. Oh,
I
now
love
the
that
other
the
half.
quartz came like pre-tumbled
That's how it comes naturally out of
from
the
the
ground.
earth.
Oh,
Oh, there you go.
That's the reveal.
Jackpot.
Jackpot. What is this? I have no clue what that is. It's like Amazonite.
What's
That's probably aventurine, I'd imagine. Oh, there's some purple fluorite in this one right there. Now let's see if we can get that out. All right. I'm sweating because it's 95 degrees at 10 p.m. And
It's actually only
no, the fluorite.
And it's only 9 p.m.
Ugh. I just cut that boy in half.
Did you?
Yeah, I just ripped it in half.
What's that?
Squeeze it. Oh.
It's for the rocks. It's for the rocks. What is that?
That's a paid actor.
We're all paid actors here. I can't tell in the light. It might be Jasper. Would you like to see some probably dyed quartz? Ooh, tasty. Get ready for that crack. That crack.
Look at that crack. We got a good crack.
This is the
Not where I
smallest.
expected the crack.
I don't think there's any left.
They're pretty.
There's
They're
one
pretty.
here.
How did I
Oh,
miss
there
that?
you go.
It's like another quartz. It's perfectly square. Just how you find them in nature. I actually think that might be it, though. It's a pile of chalky things. We got our rocks. I'm gonna throw all this in the box and throw it away. What is this?
Leave no trace.
We leave no trace in this family.
Trace.
Even
In
when
this-
you're in a parking lot.
Bam! Gem dig.
You should hang that up at your desk.
At work. Yep. And that's how you say smart kids.